Understanding, baby is on the way, a guide to English phrases. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a very special phrase that you might have heard in English conversations. Baby is on the way. This phrase is packed with joy and anticipation, and understanding its usage can add a new layer to your English comprehension. Let's explore what it means, when to use it, and some examples to help you grasp its essence fully. When someone says, "Baby is on the way," they are announcing that a new baby is expected. This phrase conveys the idea that a baby has not yet been born but will be arriving soon. It's a warm, informal way of sharing the news of a pregnancy with friends, family, or colleagues. The phrase can stir emotions of excitement, happiness, and anticipation for the arrival of the new member of the family. Casual conversations. In casual settings, "Baby is on the way" is a light-hearted and friendly way to inform others about a pregnancy. It's perfect for informal chats, family gatherings, or catching up with friends. Announcements. Whether you're making a personal announcement on social media or sharing the news in a family email, using "baby is on the way" adds a touch of warmth and personal touch to your message. Congratulating others. When responding to someone's news that a baby is on the way, it's a beautiful opportunity to express your congratulations and good wishes. Phrases like, "Congratulations! I'm so excited the baby is on the way," show your support and happiness for their growing family. In personal announcements, we're overjoyed to share that a baby is on the way and we're becoming a family of 3. In social media posts, big news! A little baby is on the way, and we couldn't be happier. #baby announcement. When congratulating, "I heard the wonderful news that a baby is on the way. Congratulations and all the best on this amazing journey." We hope this video has helped you understand the meaning and usage of the phrase, "Baby is on the way." It's a phrase that's filled with joy, hope, and the anticipation of new life. Whether you're sharing your own news or congratulating someone else, this phrase is a beautiful way to express the excitement of expecting a new baby. Thank you for watching, and we hope you find this guide helpful in your English language learning journey. Until next time, take care and keep learning.